People who can't imagine pictures in their head have different brain activity than those who can. This condition, known as aphantasia, is not simply a lack of imagination, but rather a different way of processing visual information. While people with aphantasia may not consciously experience visual imagery, their brains still show activity in the visual cortex, the region responsible for processing visual information, when they attempt to visualize. This suggests that the neural building blocks for mental images are present, but the way they are processed and translated into conscious experience differs. A study using fMRI and a visual illusion technique found that although the visual cortex is active in both groups, the activity patterns in people with aphantasia were weaker and reversed compared to typical brains. Despite these differences, computer algorithms could identify the visual patterns from brain activity in both groups. However, the algorithms could only match brain activity during perception and imagination in people without aphantasia, suggesting a fundamentally different mental process in those with aphantasia. This condition is not a disorder or disability, but rather a variation in how the brain works, affecting roughly 2 to 4% of people. There are two types: congenital lifelong aphantasia and acquired aphantasia that could be caused by injury or illness. People with aphantasia may have varying degrees of mental imagery, from no images at all to fleeting glimpses or images only with eyes open. It may also affect memory recall, particularly autobiographical memories. The exact cause is unknown, but it may be genetic or related to neurodiversity.